Here I have KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the security and location section, fingerprint, tap next. Here you have to select your backup lock screen method. It could be pattern, pin, password. Select pin. Next, enter your pin, confirm it. Next you have to select if you want to see notifications on the lock screen. You can show all notifications, hide sensitive contact, or don't show any notifications at all. And what you have to do next is to tap your finger, tap the fingerprint sensor with your finger, which is located here, for it to remember your fingerprint. And that's it, fingerprint aided. And now, for example, you can use your fingerprint to unlock your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.